Hey guys, so today is last day of today was the last day of school for the kids. They're home. So
it's Friday.
Kids are home. Kids are home for the summer. Like, I want to freak out right now. Like, I want to freak out, but it's okay. I have a video going up. I have a video that's supposed to be going up Monday or Tuesday. It's gonna be a big grocery haul for the summer. Usually I do one of those. Like no, go help clean up the room. Don't try to be a smarty, cause I'm smarter. So I'm gonna do one of those because my house is empty. There's no food and the kids are home. Like today was officially their last day of school. They came home. So expect that, and I'm about to give you guys the vlog for today, and this is the end of it. So yeah, it's gonna be a combination of videos from the beginning of the week, Jackson's graduation, which he graduated from pre-K. Yay! He graduated from pre-K yesterday. So yesterday was his last day of school. Actually no, Wednesday was his last day of school. Today, Friday, was the last day of school for the older kids.
I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose.
Good morning, sunshine. Hi, Maddie. So I'm getting ready to go Ray done hunting. I haven't gone in months. But Cookies is out. Cookie is out, and I want to be able to find it. And then I'm done. Then I'm done again. I got I found Fly for a friend, but she hasn't picked it up. But look at that. Fly is right there. I found it for a friend. And hopefully she come pick it up. If not, then I'll just keep it. And I want to find Poor. And then Jackson has graduation on Thursday. He graduates from pre-K. And then I need to find my keys. I can't find my keys.
Bye.
I don't know what I did with my keys. And then Thursday he has graduation, and I want to find a little gift for his bus driver. So it's hard to raise a little girl, like seriously. Girls can be mean, and I'm trying to protect her from, you know, bullies and stuff like that. So
And girls could be nice.
yeah, there's not 1 ounce of Ray done in the store. Let's look in some of these baskets. There's nothing in here. Is there any Ray done in here? Nope. Ray done, are you in here? There's no Ray done in the store. Jackson, come on. Come on. Come get out of here, because there's no Ray done in here. No Ray done. No Ray done. It's 10:07. There's no Ray done. And that person right there parked really close to my car. But because I'm trying to be more like God, more like Jesus, I'm going to reverse my car and go home. Have a good day, sir or ma'am, whoever you are, that parked so close to my car that I couldn't even get my baby in the car. Like, I couldn't get her in the car. But thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye. So, it's 1:30. I'm getting ready to go to my daughter's color run. Jackson missed the bus because I'm pretty sure it's a new driver. And I'm gonna drop him off at school right now. And oh, my wallet, I need my wallet. And I gotta go pick up dinner. And I don't don't even know where my key is. Oh, found them. I'll see you guys in a little bit. It is so hot out here. Oh my gosh. Y'all won't even understand the heat right now. And I'm walking up a hill. Oh.
These cars are hot too.
These cars are hot?
Yeah. And this is hot.
No, this is bad. It was 110 in my car. I'm setting up for the color run.
Water back down here. Come on. I'm not sure. It's supposed to find out. Let's
JJ.
Daniel.
Look at your hair. Let me see your back.
Oh, she's so cute. Is she floppy? You sleeping?
No. Let me see your hair.
You got the towel?
Huh? Let me see your other side.
Oh my god!
I'm going home now. It is so hot.
I want to go to school.
I'm sweating.
Mommy,
Huh?
you know why? I don't want to go to school.
Why?
Because my belly's full.
Okay. I am sweating bullets.
Oh.
I'll see y'all when I get home.
All she hit me with is come see me once, come and see me once. You don't ever come to me.
It is hot. Oh my gosh, it is so hot. Oh, I'm so tired. I don't even want to go to the grocery store. I'm so hot. Like, it's unbelievable how hot it is out here. Like, I'm not gonna enjoy this summer. Last summer I was pregnant and I was inside all the time. All time, at all times. Because I just couldn't deal with being pregnant and hot. Now that I'm not pregnant and having to take 5 kids to and from various activity all throughout the summer, I don't want to do this no more. I don't want to be nobody mommy no more. It's so hot. This made me want to return them. But I'm going to go to the grocery store, pick up dinner, and I will see you guys there. Good morning, guys. So I threw a wig on because today's Gio's pre-K graduation, and yeah, I'm late as always. It's 9 o'clock. It's at 9:30. I gotta go put gas. This little one needs to go in her car seat, and you don't need your backpack, dude. You don't need your backpack.
Why?
Cause you're graduating. You don't need a backpack. I gotta go. I gotta really go. So I'll see you guys there. Maddie, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Maddie. Maddie. It's 9:41. We're still waiting to get started. Hey, Mama. Jaxson said I like to write. Yay. Okay, we're gonna do.
Keep going, Jaxson. Right?
Jaxson said I like to write.
Okay, él dice me encanta escribir.
Brandon, I like to eat lunch at school.
The first one we're going to do is this little light of love.
Los niños van a cantar tres canciones como las ven ahí en la pantalla.
All right, boys and girls, are you ready? Okay.
Hey, bud, say hi. Say hi. Are you excited? Huh? It's because we can make it.
Jaxson,
A child is always making me angry. Anyways, so yeah, so they finished, Destiny finished 3rd grade, the boys finished 4th grade, even though they should have been finished in 5th grade, but because of they were born later in the year. So yeah, so I have one going to 4th, one back to what I was saying, because as soon as I pick up the camera, they all come out of the woodworks and want to start doing something random. Like, no. Yeah, one is going to 4th, 2 is going to 5th, and the other one is going to kindergarten. So kindergarten, 4th, and 5th. So yeah, next year I'm gonna have, let's not worry about next year. This is it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Today is preparation day, so we are preparing for Sabbath for tomorrow. And yeah, so today is preparation day, Sabbath tomorrow. If you're not already, oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. My hair is a mess. I'm sorry, and I'm not gonna fix it. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys on Monday. On Monday. Bye.